Hi, this is Bill Light. I'm going to go over some review questions to get you ready for your certification exam. Which of the following injuries is frequently associated with a fracture of the calcaneus? A bladder rupture. B, patellar fracture. C, tibial plateau fracture. Or D, damage to the sciatic nerve. I'll give you a second to think about it. Did you come up with the answer? Well, hopefully you came up with C, a tibial plateau fracture. When you're looking at a calcaneus fracture, the most common mechanism is when someone jumps or otherwise falls from a significant height and lands on their feet. In this case, if you take enough force into the heel to break the calcaneus, it is very likely to travel right up your bony structure, your framework, and cause other bony fractures. So while these other injuries could be sustained, they wouldn't be from the direct mechanism of energy transferring up through your structural frame. So in this case, a tibial plateau fracture would be common. It could be pelvic fractures or vertebral body fractures, but less likely to be our other options. So hopefully that helps you with your preparation for your exam, and good luck.